Hey there, Kimber. Thanks for opting in to the video critique here. I'm having a problem when it comes to your icon sets because I can't think of very many things to tell you to change. That's the truth. These look awesome. Um, Maybe just make sure there's the same amount of space between all the edges and your outer stroke. With that in mind, I might perhaps make the snowflake a little bit smaller so there's a little bit more white space. So they're a little, these three are a little more consistent on the sizing of the icon within the stroke. See how there's a little more room here, a little less, pretty tiny here. One cool thing I've had my students do before when they're kind of doing something like what you're doing is they make their inner shape just a little bit bigger than this outer stroke. And so their icon overflows the boundary of the shape that it's in. That could look really cool with your shapes. This one would look awesome. This one would look really good. These two might be harder since they're kind of a semicircular shape within a circular shape. But maybe play around with that, see if you like it. If not, I would lean more toward having this element and this element the same size within your stroke as the sun. Okay, so that's the only thing that's popping out to me is slightly inconsistent. Everything else looks amazing. I don't have that much critique for you. You're nailing this icon set. It looks awesome. Okay, good job.